Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in a simple investment portfolio in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this, so you know how we do it. Let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So you can go ahead on Simple's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. You can also choose to log in on Simple's mobile app as well. But once you log into your account, go ahead and click on the invest button that's in the top navigation bar, and then from the drop down menu you're going to select investment portfolio. Now from there you can choose an investment portfolio that aligns with your investment goals as well as your risk tolerance. You know, there are a couple of options. Just check through them and choose the one that suits you the best. And you can set an investment amount to invest in the portfolio, and just confirm the investment by clicking invest. And once that's done, Simple is gonna open that investment portfolio for you and get you started. That's pretty much it on how to invest in a simple investment portfolio in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.